What do we discuss? What is the spread? The spread is the difference between the bid and ask. That is called the spread cost, from which brokers make money. For example, you are a person who both buys and sells iPhones. You purchased an iPhone in dollars. You sold an iPhone for $1. So the difference you got was dollars. That became your spread. Brokers make a profit from this. So when we bid, when we sell, the broker is buying from us cheaply, and when we buy, we ask, the broker is selling to us at their profit. Simple analogy of how a broker works. Today, why are you a retail trader? You are a price taker, meaning the price the broker gives you, you have to accept that price. Broker, in reality, there is no middleman. There is a middleman, right? We need to buy something, for example, in real estate. Today, there is a lot of buzz about it in India and Pakistan. One person needs to sell a product and another needs to buy it. So what is the role of a middleman? They facilitate the meeting between the buyer and the seller.
Takes a commission from them. The broker's job is not to make you meet the counterparty.
The broker automatically becomes your counterparty. That is, when you are buying, selling, and you are selling, he is buying.
This process is made automatic. So his business runs like this. Now we have discussed bids, bid, ask, spread, pips, how to calculate pips, how to find the value of a pip, what a dot is, how to calculate a dot, and then how to find the value of the spread, how to fully formulate them.
We have discussed everything. Now we will move towards trading, where we will discuss the types of Forex orders. How many types of Forex orders are there?
How do we press the order in Forex, and what is the purpose of the order types? How many kinds of orders are there? For what and how are they used? In this, we have two main categories.
One is a market order. One is a pending order. Okay, now in market orders, there are two types. One is buy market, one is sell market. Buy market means that the current price in the market is the price at which I want to buy right now. Similarly, the current price is the sell market. The same thing is just that the current market price, I want to serve this thing on it as well. So similarly, we have four types in pending orders. What are the four types? Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. And buy limit is buy limit. If the price, for example, is at 0.0500 of US dollar,
so I set a buy limit that if the price comes to 0.04900, then make the buy entry. Similarly, if the price is at 0.0500 and I set a survey meter that when the price 0.051, when it reaches 00, you take the automatic circuit entry from there. Now, what is the specialty of a limit order? It is always placed behind the price, and it is always triggered when the price comes back. If the price comes back, this order will open, so you don't make impulsive entries. It just saves you from entry and gives you the opportunity to enter according to your own understanding and strategy. What is a buy stop and service stop? A buy stop is when the price is at 1.0500, and I have set the buy stop above the price so that when the price starts to go up from here, it breaks the price of 1.051000. What it means is if the price is to go up, I have placed a stop order there. When the price reaches there, it will automatically buy. Similarly, a sell stop is when the price is at 1.0500, and if the price goes to 1.04900, it will automatically sell from there. So the order is placed ahead of the price. Who uses this? These order types are used by breakout traders who expect that when the market moves in one direction, it will enter a long-term trend. So we will enter at that time, and the limit order is a pullback. The traders, there's the collection traders, retracement traders, use it so that when a trend is confirmed, the price will come back for a retest. Then we will enter there. Now, what is this retracement? What is collection?
What is a retest? What is a breakout? What is a trend?
What is a range?
We will discuss all these things further.